Okay, now time to get started on this. Taking off this rub rail and splitting this in two. Start pulling this off. See how bad that's cracked. And of course, where I damaged it with a strap, we can fix that now. Do some repairs up through here. You can see this part right here is also loose. We're gonna fix that. Okay, so all the pop rivets are out. I'm taking out all the way around. Okay, so I got all the bolts out. Kind of hold it together. See, this is the seam right there, so I'm gonna have to cut that somehow. I thought I'd try this oscillating tool that I picked up at Harbor Freight with a wood and plastic bit that's on it. Try it out, see how Okay, so I reached in from the outside and it did cut all the way through. That place isn't too thick. Looks like maybe one piece of fiberglass, so looks like that's the way we're going to do it. Cut her all the way around. can take the video and I'll talk over it. My microphone, I don't want to do that. Okay, so you can see we got her split. That'll allow me to do a lot of the repairs with much more ease. Got this part here that was loose. Be pulling this board up, see what's underneath there, redoing all this. Sleeping quarters. Repairs on the pin for the swing keel, where the pin goes in there. There's a little sink. This side I'm going to make a small galley. Maybe leave that bench in there. That side right there, that's a table. So this bench should be running this way, space here, and another bench that way. So that's the way we're going to fix that. Here's hose for the bilge pump. Foam that was in there. Old nasty foam. Let's see how big that is. And the back transom. This is a skin. And then the board, I mean, that board is shot. So that's all going to be replaced. I'm going to put a new board across there. All new fiberglass skin. And the bottom of this is going to get some repairs. It's got some blisters and stuff in the, it's not in the fiberglass, it's in the paint. You can see some of the blisters there. But bad spots here. Nothing that can't be fixed. But we got her apart. And that's what we got next. So stick around.